Good morning, students. This is Sivasis Sandilya, and today we are going to discuss the second part of our chapter, Knowing Our Numbers. Before we start the class, please note that if you have any doubt regarding this period, try to clear the doubts in this period itself. You may call me and WhatsApp me at the numbers shown in the screen. And if your doubts and calls are not received and cleared by today itself, you can try clearing your doubts in the next mathematics period. Okay, so in our last class, we discussed the first three points of our chapter: number and number name up to crores in Indian and international system. Point number 2, conversion of a number from one system to another. And point number 3, face value and the place value. So today we are going to discuss some problems related to these 3 points, and I am also going to give you the solutions to the problems. So a quick revision: the place value chart for the Indian system. In the Indian system, as I explained in the last video, the periods or the commas were put first. Count the digits from the right hand side, count 3 digits and the first comma will come there. Then count 2 digits, another comma will come there. Count 2 more digits and another comma will come there. The first comma will come after ones, tens, hundreds. After the hundreds period, hundreds place, one comma will be there. Then the position will be the thousands and the 10,000s. After that another comma will be there, and then the lakh and 10 lakh. After that another comma will be there, and then the crores and 10 crores will come. In the lower part of the chart given on screen, there is a number 293186,357. So the last 3 digit comes under the ones period. It will be read as 357. The fourth and the fifth digit from the right hand side, that is 86, will be read as 86,000s. Then the next period, the lakhs period, will be read as 31 lakh. And the last period, that is the crore period, 29, that will be 29 crores. So the number 293186,357 will be read as 29 crores 31 lakh 86,357. So after this quick revision, let us work out some problems. See, here you have to match the elements of the table A to the elements of table B. The first one is done for you. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros after 1. The first comma, second comma, third comma, there are 3 commas. So it will be 1 crore. Number B, it is clearly 1000. Number C, it will be 10,000. D will be, of course, 100. E, 5 zeros, 2 commas. That means the third period from the right hand side. It will be the lakhs position, so it will be 1 lakh. And question number F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros will be crores, so it will be 10 crores. You can note down the answers like this, or let me show you the answers actually. So here are the answers. Number B 1000, number C 10,000, number D 100, number E is 1 lakh, and number F will be 10 crore. Let us move on to some other problems now. Here you have to write the numbers in words in the Indian system. So first of all, what we will do, we will put the commas or the periods according to the Indian system, and then convert the numerals into words. Try to solve this. Pause the video if required, because in the next slide I am going to show you the answers. So if you want to practice, just pause the video and try the answers yourself. I am going to show you the answers now. The first question, there will be only one period, so the number will be 12,543. The second one, there will be two periods, so there will be lakh, thousands and ones place. So it will be 82 lakh 93,439. And in question number C, there will be three periods. That means there will be ones place, thousands place, lakhs place and crores place. So the number in words will be 36 crore 79 lakh 64,142. Now let me remind you, I am giving you the questions so that you can practice in your own time. I am not asking your feedback. Don't solve the problems and send pictures to me. Don't do that, because the answers are already given. Here in this module, we have to write the numbers in figures. The number in words are given, and from that we have to write it in figures. So the first one, 6,452. Second question is 50,364. Third one is 6,80,434. And the last one is 82,90,051. Pause the video if you want to practice this, because I am going to show you the answers now. So if you want to practice, pause the video, try to write down the answers by yourself, and please don't take more than 2 minutes to solve this. This is very easy, so you won't require more than 2 minutes to solve this. If you wish, you can pause the video for 2 minutes and solve the answers. Now I am showing you the answers. So the first question is 6,452. So it will be 6,452. Simple. Second one is 50,364. So it will be 50,364. The next one is 6 lakh. That means a 6 will come, then a comma will come. Then 80,000, then 80 will come and a comma will come. Then 434. Simple. The last one, 82 lakh. That means we will write 82 and put a comma. 90,000, that will be 90 comma 51. Now in the last period, or if you are counting from the right hand side, in the first period there are 3 digits, ones, tens and hundreds, but the number is saying only 51. That means there is no hundreds. So it will be 0, 100, 1, 50 and 1, 1. So it will be 0, 5, 1. So the number will be 82,90,051. Let us go to the next section. So, now a quick revision of the international system. In the international system, counting from the right hand side, after every 3 digits there will be a period. The first period is the ones period, which will contains the ones, tens and hundreds place. The second period will be the thousands period, and it will contain the 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 place. The third period will be the millions period, which will contain million, 10 million, 100 million. There is an example given. The number is 63921,369. Now if we place this number according to the periods, so the 9 will come in the ones place, 6 will come in tens, 3 will come in the hundreds position, again 1 will come in 1000, 2 in 10,000, 9 in 100,000. Likewise 3 in 1 million position and 6 in 10 million position. So the number will be read as 63,921,369, and in numerals it will be written as 63,921,369. Now let us do some problems based on this. So again, here is a match the following. If you wish, you can pause the video. See here also the last three, that means question number E, F and G are very easy. 100, 1000, 10,000, everyone knows these things. Now if you want to try it out, pause the video, note down the question and try to solve it by yourself and match the answers from the next slide. In the next slide I am showing you the answers. If you wish, pause the video and try it yourself. Again I am telling you, I am not asking you feedback. Don't solve it and send it to me, because I am already going to show you the answers. So here are the answers. Question number B is 100,000. Number C is 10 million. Number D is 1 million. E is 1000, F is 10,000 and G is 100. I hope you understood this. Let's move on to the next section. Now here we have to write these numbers in words in the international system. I know the question is saying write the numerals in international system. You can see it in the bottom of your screen, but that is very easy. That is why I am changing the question and asking you to write this in words. Again, if you wish, pause the video, try it out yourself. I am giving you only 1 minute. You can do it within 1 minute. Write these numbers in words according to international system. First of all, put on the commas and then write it in words. Pause the video if required. I am moving on to the next slide, which will give you the answers. So here in the first number there are only 6 digits, so only one comma will come, that will divide the number into two periods, that is the ones periods and the thousands periods. So the number will be written as 382,597. In the second question, there will be two commas, that means the number will be divided into three periods, the ones period, the thousands period and the millions period. In the million there are only 80, so it will be 80 million. In the thousands period there is only 45, so it will be 45,000. And in the ones period we will write 892. In the third question also there will be two commas and three periods, so the number will be 199,279,318. I hope you understood this, and let us move on to the next question. Now at this point let me remind you, if you wish to pause the video at any point and try out the questions yourself without directly going to the answers, you can do it at any time. But again, please don't send your practice sheets to me. Don't click pictures of your practice sheet and send it to me. Don't do that, because the answers are already given in the video itself. So here we have to write the numbers in international system. The first question is 53,730,081. The second one is 172,346,265. The third question is 592,216,350. If you wish, you can pause the video and try it yourself. Take not more than 1 minute to solve this. I am going to show you the answers now. Okay, so the answer to question number A is 53 million, that is 53 comma 730,000, that is 730 comma 81. So there is no hundreds place, so it will be 081. In the second question, actually I made a mistake while initially making the video, so I had to edit it. 172 million, that is 172 comma 346,000, that is 346 comma 265, that is 265. The third one is 592 million, that is 592 comma 216,000, that is 216 comma 350, that is 350. I hope you understood it. Let us move on to the next one. Now, in your last class also, you have learned how to write a number in the expanded form or how to write a number from a expanded form. The demo is already given. See, 10 crore plus 7 crore plus 3 lakh plus 90,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 6 will give us 17,03,97,036, that is 17 crore 3 lakh 97,036. In the same manner, try to solve the questions given below. Question number A is asking you, what is 9 crore plus 30 lakh plus 7 lakh plus 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 300 is? The second question, question number B. Now this is in international system. See, it is asking you what is 700 million plus 6 million plus 800,000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 2. And the third question is again in Indian system. It is asking you what is 40 crore plus 7 crore plus 1 lakh plus 30,000 plus 20 plus 4. If you wish, pause the video, try this yourself. But again I am telling you, don't take more than 1 minute 30 seconds for solving this. If you take more time, don't worry, you just need more practice. Don't get disheartened. If you cannot solve this in 1 minute 30 seconds, you just need more practice. So pause the video, try it yourself. I am showing you the answers. So the answer to the first question is 9 crore 37 lakh 47,300. The second one is 706 million 800,000 892, and the third answer is 47 crore 1,30,024. I hope you understood this. Let us move on to the next question. Now, in our last class, I also explained what a place value and a face value is. If you forgot what a place value and face value is, please refer to the previous video that I have showed you. Try to revise it again, come back and try to solve this yourself. Already the demo is given. In the first demo, the number is given in Indian system. We have to find out the place value of 4 in the number 35 crore 24 lakh 17,193. So the number 4 is in the lakhs place, so it will be 4 lakh. In the second demo, the number is in international system and the number is 395,047,593. And we have to find out the place value of 5. The 5 is in millions position, so the place value of 5 is 5 million. Now, try to solve this question yourself. Take around 3 to 5 minutes, not more than that, to solve this. In the first question, the underlined number is 1. In the second one, it is 0. The third question, the underlined number is 4. In the fourth question, that is question number D, the underlined number is 3. In question number E, the underlined number is 4. And in question number F, the underlined number is 8. Pause the video for 3 minutes and try to solve it yourself. I am showing you the answers. So, in question number A, 1 is in lakhs place, so the answer is 1 lakh. In question number B, 0 is in lakhs place, so it will be 0 lakh. In question number C, excuse me, in question number C, 4 is in 10 lakhs position, so 10 lakh into 4 will give us 40 lakh. In the fourth, that is question number D, the number 3 is in 100,000 position, so the answer will be, the place value of 3 will be 300,000. In question number E, 4 is in 10 millionth position, so the answer will be 40 million. And in question number F, the number 8 is in 100 millions position, So the answer will be the place value of 8 in question number F will be 800 million. Let us move on to another question. Determine the difference in the place values of the two fives in 15,793,502. Now as you can see, there are two fives in the number, and the question is asking you to find the difference between the place values of these two fives. Try to solve it by yourself, and the answer will be shown in the next slide. Take 2 minutes. Don't take more than 2 minutes to solve this. So here is the answer. There are two fives in the given number. The place value of the first 5 is 500 and the place value of the second 5 is 5 million. So the required difference will be 5 million minus 500, which will give us 4,999,500. So that is the answer. So this brings us to the end of today's class. I repeat again, the questions that you practiced today, I'm not asking you to send them to me. Please don't do that. The answers are already given. The questions are there only for your practice. I'll ask you feedback when the chapter will be over. I'll give you some question to solve yourself, and then you will send the feedback of those questions. I'm not asking you to send the pictures of today's class. So our next class will include formation of the smallest and largest number when digits are given, ascending and descending arrangements, and some furthermore problems and their solutions. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you everyone.